So today I'll be showing you how to set the 12-hour or 24-hour clock system on your Android phone. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Google Pixel running pure stock Android 14. So go to settings. On the settings page, go to system. Under system, tap on date and time. And then at the bottom of the page, you'll see time format. Now it might be locked to a certain default. For instance, mine is locked to the 12-hour clock system default. Now you can you can disable that lock, and then you can choose for yourself whether to enable the 12-hour format or just use the 24-hour format or just use the 12-hour format. So to use the 24-hour format, turn this on, and to use the 12-hour format, turn this off. And that's basically how to do it. Now, if you can't use the same instructions to get to your date and time settings on a different Android phone, then you can just go to settings, go to search, and then just type time. And that will take you to your date and time settings where you can switch between 12 and 24-hour format. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.